A good way to improve your fluency and pronunciation is to listen and repeat sentences line by line. This technique is called shadowing. Today, we're going to do it together with a short scene from a movie called Marriage Story. I'll play each line, then pause and repeat the line slowly, then give you time to repeat it. So, are you ready? All right, let's get started.
You're being so much like your father.
You're being so much like your father.
Do not compare me to my father.
Do not compare me to my father.
I didn't compare you to him. I said you were acting like him.
I didn't compare you to him. I said you were acting like him.
You're exactly like your mother.
You're exactly like your mother.
Everything you're complaining about her, you're doing.
Everything you're complaining about her, you're doing.
You're suffocating Henry.
You're suffocating Henry.
First of all, I love my mother. She was a wonderful mother.
Just repeating.
First of all, I love my mother. She was a wonderful mother.
Wonderful mother.
Just repeating what you told me.
Secondly,
I'm just repeating what you told me.
how dare you compare my mothering to my mother?
Secondly, how dare you compare my mothering to my mother?
I may be like my father.
I may be like my father,
But I am not like my mother.
but I am not like my mother.
You are.
You are.
And you're like my father.
And you're like my father.
You're also like my mother.
You're also like my mother.
You're all the bad things about all of these people.
You're all the bad things about all of these people.
But mostly your mother.
But mostly your mother.
When we would lie in bed together,
When we would lie in bed together,
sometimes I would look at you and see her and just feel so gross.
sometimes I would look at you and see her and just feel so gross.
I felt repulsed when you touched me.
You're a slob.
I felt repulsed when you touched me.
I made all the beds, closed all the cabinets.
I made all the beds, closed all the cabinets.
You'll never be happy.
You'll never be happy.
In LA or anywhere.
In LA or anywhere.
You think you found some better opposite guy than me?
You'll think you found some better opposite guy than me.
And in a few years, you rebel against him.
And in a few years, you'll rebel against him.
Because you need to have your voice.
Because you need to have your voice.
But you don't want a voice.
But you don't want a voice.
You just want to fucking complain about not having a voice.
You just want to complain about not having a voice.
You've regressed.
You've regressed.
You've gone back to your life before you met me.
You've gone back to your life before you met me.
It's pathetic.
It's pathetic. Great job. You've just practiced shadowing a short scene. Repeat this exercise a few times. Focus on intonation, stress, and pronunciation. Shadowing regularly will improve your fluency and confidence in English. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.